Okay, this is a video for KIK or snap-on style tire. I just wanted to make mention of a couple tools that are required. We use these. They are steel motorcycle tire irons. There's a couple other tools that assist. This one here, we just taped around some for your hand, to protect your hand. But this is a tool designed for snap-ons by Ameritire. I think their number here is 1-800-808-1268. I'm not sure if they still sell this tool, but it really helps. Another device is this one. I don't know, you may or may not have seen this. This attaches at the axle, and there's a plastic piece that rides around, and you kind of drive it around, and it's supposed to put the tire on in one shot, but we always kept breaking the plastic piece. So this has now been retired. It's pretty ineffective for these tires. Another tool is this contraption. It says here on the Simpson. We tried this and had basically no effect. It didn't really put the tire on at all. And then another device like this is Pedro's. This was just a tool that someone found that thought might help, but it actually, because it's so slick and metal on the edge, it doesn't grab well enough. So again, this is the best one by Ameritire. It's a piece of, it's made out of plastic, PVC. It has some sort of grip to it, and that works the best with the steel tire iron. For demonstration purposes, we're just going to use a bare wheel core composite from Magic Wheels, and you'll probably be using the wheel assembly, but this will just give you an idea of how to put it on.